like everyone's turned up at their glamorous best.
You know,
Hi! Are you guys excited? ऐसे तो नहीं लग रहा. Hi, hi. How are you? Good.
so how about we ask them, say, I'm Tamanna, say hi Tamanna everybody.
Hello, my lovely people. I'm so excited to be here with you. We're gonna have a fun afternoon and some amazing conversations.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
You know, this looks like a great moment with everyone in the frame, and I can't help it, but I want to take a
Hello.
selfie
Such a
right
pleasure.
away. Can I have your phone?
Thank you.
Pari? No, can I have your phone?
Thank you for having me.
I think this is the perfect moment for all of us to take a selfie with everyone right now. I have not seen so many of them right now. Come, please join us. Okay, this is going to be one great selfie. Can we have our photographers on board? Okay. Everybody please raise your hands and make some noise. Okay, this camera has not captured the best photo. But here,
Hello.
I like how everybody's
Love
giving
to each and
so
every
much
one
love
of
to
you.
Tamanna
Yeah,
right now.
it's just lots of love to each and every one of you. Hello guys, hello. Nice to meet you. All the best to everyone. Hi. Yes, hello. How are you today? You doing good?
All right. So, you know, we'll all get a chance to do that later. Tamanna, it's
I did
time
well.
to go and have a lovely conversation.
All the best. Lots of love. Lots of love, guys. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Nice to meet you, ma'am. How are you guys? Hi, baby. Hi. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Nice to meet all of you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yes. आप आगे आ जाइए मैं हाथ मिला के All the best. Yes, I'm right here. I'm right here for everyone. Hello. Don't pull me up. Hi guys. Hello. कैसे हो मैम आप? बढ़िया? Yes मैम. मैं बैठ जाता हूँ आप अच्छे से. Good. Nice to meet all of you. Yeah. All the best guys. Nice to meet you. Yes ma'am. Yes, I'm right here.
All right, Tamanna, it's time. I think Tamanna is making it much more beautiful. The Glam Up Fest
Can I take a photo?
is absolutely incredible.
All the best guys. All the best. इनको कुचल मत दो प्लीज. इनको बाहर निकालो.
All right, please join me for a conversation.
अभी फ्लिपकार्ट वाले
Yes,
डांटेंगे
let's go.
मुझे.
Come.
Hi guys. Hi. I'm here. I'm coming back. I'm right here guys. I'm right here. All the best guys.
Wow, that was amazing. Look at the love everybody's giving right now. It's incredible.
It's exactly why you become an actor, a performer. It's this connection that we're all trying to build and all trying to create.
Right.
And for the work we do, we get such unparalleled volumes of love. The least we can do is be here and spend those few moments and actually experience the love back.
Yeah, and I can see you do that. You're having a good time being with everybody right there. It's so nice to see that. You know, how do you feel? How does the Glam Up Fest look? It's so, I mean, you tell me.
First of all, I really want to thank Flipkart for inviting me to this Glam Fest because this is such an amazing initiative that you guys have made, and it's definitely going to be the revolution in the whole creative aspect of how content creation is going to be happening from here on. And I love the fact that apart from being the first few players to begin with in this sector, you also are always the first person to take the plunge, take that, that chance of moving how people are eventually going to enjoy commerce with connection,
Yeah.
and also just enjoy this entire space of creating for eventually all the consumers to be able to experience. So yeah, thank you. I'm very, very appreciative of the fact that you guys are making the first move.
Thanks for being here. Thanks for your kind words. I think you've lit up the house.
Flipkart app right now looks very different these days. It's looking fresher, the experiences are snappier. So what's been cooking behind the scenes? What's driving this big fat transformation?
I think first, thanks for noticing it, right? I hope everybody does. I think there are a lot of things happening. I think the most important thing that we have realized is there's this Gen Z crowd, and we need to cater to them. And this Gen Z crowd specifically asks for things that are more aesthetic, more genuine, more immersive experience. Everything that we do is pretty much for them. And
To only grow old, huh? You'll have to come onto our side of the table. To enjoy kar lo while it lasts.
The Gen Z is going to be the next millennial, you know. So it is like a circle, guys. Okay.
Absolutely.
Shankar.
When they used to call me Gen X, I used to feel very proud about it. But yeah, jokes aside, I think we are living in an era where change is happening much faster than before.
Right.
And Gen Z especially, it's a learning for me. I have 2 Gen Z daughters and my office is full of Gen Z people. So Gen Z people is a sort of, feels like a different tribe only.
Yeah,
but
like the way you're saying it also feels like a different time.
but it's a fun tribe to be part of, trust me. And, just 2 things I want to call out, which we see as Plum, that Gen Zs think differently. One is about genuine connections.
Right.
Even in the world of social media where you're not meeting that person, there is some connection that's happening. That's quite incredible to see, and we've seen it over the years. And the other thing is authenticity in everything that they see. So they need to know why something is working and not just be told that it is working.
Right.
So the why behind it, whether it's a clinical test, whether it's an ingredient, whether it's somebody endorsing it, it all needs to sort of fall in place. So there's a lot of reasoning that goes on. It's not just what I...
That you're right at the heart of digital revolution right now. And how do you see this landscape changing? How are your followers evolving? Have you seen some change? What are their expectations? And are you reinventing any new kind of approach, just...
It's actually a very interesting time to be alive because I think it's like you have no option but to put your most authentic self ahead. And it's very daunting to do that. It's extremely scary because back in the day, I don't know how many people were even that honest to their friends or family. और अब तो हमको ये side अपना पूरी दुनिया को दिखाना है. So I think what technology has done, and as much as there's a section that might demonize it, but actually it's gotten us to get over our own fears around being ourselves. Now being yourself is celebrated. It's also the only way to connect. Like if I put up something that is my genuine experience, look like in the sense of whenever it comes to beauty and glam, whenever I put up something that's an actual experience, I see people responding to that with a lot more gusto than anything that's very curated or really made, with a lot of post-production. I don't think anyone cares for that. People want to know what is your actual takeaway because essentially they are going to be making choices based off your experiences.
Right.
So, and the beauty is that at this point, especially when it comes to beauty and glamour, I think people are already very informed, but now they want to know what's the texture of something, whether it suits them or not, whether it's meant for their skin type. So they're also very curious about many other aspects of things in the beauty game. So it's not, I can't just package something and put it and say, "Arey, khareed lo." So I feel like it's also such an amazing time that we are putting our most authentic self forward, and also there's a genuine sharing happening. Like I'm actually able to put out my experiences and it's actually helping someone. So there are lots of pluses to this time, but it's also very daunting.
Why is it daunting?
Because it's interesting that at the end, it's only your experience.
Right.
It could differ for somebody else. So that window is always open.
Like maybe the criticism part, you mean?
Yes, but I also think that the internet lets you do that. We are in that space where you can give your perspective, it can be your sharing, and hopefully it helps and benefits somebody. But yeah, a great time to put out your side of the story when it comes to anything related to beauty. And I keep like putting out some nuskhas of my whatever I've learned over a period of time. And in my case, for me, this is my every day. Like for me, glamour is casual. Like
Right.
I wear glamour very casually because I wake up in the morning with like with like fully. I'm always like, and it's not like you're waking up with makeup, but you're still. It's a part of my like my DNA now, and
Right.
it's not something I have to put on anymore.
Yeah.
So it's very interesting how I can kind of share that with my followers and also build new equations. I feel like sometimes I post something that's completely something I haven't done at all
Yeah.
in terms of beauty, and I find new people reacting to it. So it's also building community all over the world. So it's actually a very interesting time to be here and to be able to influence people in any capacity.
And we've always seen you be real, bold, and beautiful when you're online, right, guys? Can we make some noise for
Thank
Tamanna?
you.
Can I hear some? Yeah, yeah. So we love you. We love to see you. We love to
Thank
see you
you.
what you're going to post today, especially the selfie, probably.
I have to tell you, you were talking about how you guys have changed how the social approaches. My favorite post of your page is actually a girl giving her brother's photo a digital bath. It's my favorite video on Flipkart
Yeah.
because I think it is genius. And I love the fact that everyone is allowed to just be themselves. Like she can't give like her brother doesn't take a bath, so she gives his photo a digital bath.
Yeah.
And I'm like, the concepts that you guys are coming up with are absolutely next level, and they're so entertaining. So हमको तो बहुत competition दे रहे हैं आप, because अभी हमको बहुत अच्छा सोचना पड़ेगा entertain करने के लिए लोगों को.
आप हम पे बहुत प्रेशर डाल रहे हो.
नहीं, आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो already, तो I'm getting inspired.
Talking about Flipkart, there are so many exciting things happening, but it's excitement along with challenges together. So how is Flipkart adapting to keeping pace with this rapidly growing and changing times? Consumer behaviors changing, everything, and it's happening really fast. So how are you guys keeping up with this?
See, as a product leader and a technology leader, in my crash,
I had a chance to speak to the Flipkart team, and everybody told me that, oh, Angela, this is the next big thing, and they gave me an insight to what was going on, and they showed me the Creator Hood, and guys, you have to try it. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, Tamanna, would you officially do the honors and launch the Creator's Hood?
I am so honored to launch Creator Hood. Flipkart, should we do it?
absolutely.
Let's go.
Where are the Flipsters? Come on, make some noise. Woo! One more time.
Woohoo! But that's not enough, guys. Keep making that noise right now. We have the Flipkart Creators Hood. Take a look on the screen, right there. All right, all right. Can we, is it okay if we play the video one more time? Yeah? All right, so this is the Creators Hood. Are you excited for it, everybody? Yes? Yes?
So Creator Hood bol diya, but what is Creator Hood? Let's get into it. Basically, of course, the whole idea of and the whole idea for Flipkart is that they want to create and content which eventually leads to the marketplace not just being commoditized, but something that actually helps the creators. So content creators will do exactly what they love to do, which is create content authentic to them. But now they get to be partners with Flipkart, and they work with Flipkart to create content for them for the products that exist on Flipkart. And if the content that they are making actually translates into sales, then they get validated for it. Am I right, sir?
Oh, bang on.
Bang on,
Right?
right.
So it's amazing for creators because Flipkart is becoming absolutely self-reliant, and to be honest, any kind of independence comes with people complementing each other, and here it happens through creators. So yeah, it's this amazing, revolutionary time for creators to actually monetize what they love doing, what they're passionate about, and actually put it into commercial value.
So well said, Tamanna. I think now everybody has a greater idea of what's going to happen. I think since Tamanna knows it so well, how about we get her first? Yeah, to do one of these.
I should be the, am I the first creator
Yeah.
on Flipkart?
Yeah, you are.
Can I be?
I don't think you'll be the first creator. There are already creators on it.
Like for
But
this,
you'll-
for the creatorhood.
for the new one, yes.
For the new
yes.
creatorhood.
Yes, why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Why
If-
not? That would be exciting.
If any of your creators, please go back to that content creator hood
Yes.
and please register yourself on Flipkart if possible. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Now, thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, Shankar.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for having
Tamanna,
me.
for sharing
Thank you.
your insights. And thank you all, my content creators, everyone for being with us over here. Please make sure you go and check out the Flipkart, creator hood. And here's to a future where creativity meets commerce in the most exciting ways. Enjoy the rest of the Glam Up Fest 2025. And don't forget, once again, to take a look at the Flipkart Creator Hood. Please make some noise for these guys right now. Please. All right, let's get some photographs. Enjoy yourselves, everybody. We'll be back with some more launches right here. You know, Tamanna, I have a request from one of our photographers saying that they wanted a selfie with you right now.
why not?
Yeah? But this time we want an exciting selfie with the last one. Guys, can we have our photographer here? But everybody has to come this side so we can get a nice photograph with all of you, okay? But this time you have to make some more noise. Make sure the Glam Up Fest is completely filled with your energy over here. You ready? You ready? Tamanna, this is your spot. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, God. I think you guys need to be on this side. All right, and Tamanna's already getting photographs with you guys. This is a perfect selfie. Make sure you go ahead and post it online. Make sure it's part of your reels, and we will see you online, everybody. No, please. All right, Tamanna. I think your team is waiting for you backstage.
There is a unisex brand. He is Aditya, he heads e-commerce. And I'm the brand manager for these guys are he heads influencer.
Amazing, crazy and amazing.
I saw your event yesterday as well. Thank you. Yeah. So we've created different Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am.
एक मिनट तमन्ना जी थोड़ा एक स्टेप पीछे चल तमन्ना जी थोड़ा एक स्टेप पीछे हाँ
How are you? Wonderful. How are you guys? Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi. Go for it? Okay. हाँ जी आप yes. Good to see you. Actually, I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, Ramesh sir, for calling me here. Flipkart ने हमेशा जब भी कोई कदम उठाया है वो सबसे पहले उठाया है. कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करते हैं, कुछ करेजियस करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जो हम लाइव कॉमर्स का ट्रेंड कई और देशों में देखते हैं वो हमारे यहाँ आप लेके आ रहे हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा है क्योंकि ग्लैमर आई थिंक सिर्फ एक्टर्स तक सीमित नहीं होना चाहिए. मेरे हिसाब से जितना भी काम मैंने किया है मैंने नोटिस किया है कि मैं तभी सबसे ज़्यादा ग्लैमरस फील करती थी जब मैं कंफर्टेबल हुआ करती थी. और दैट रियली पुश्ड मी टूवर्ड्स फाइंडिंग ब्यूटी सॉल्यूशंस, फाइंडिंग glamour solutions which actually made me feel connected, comfortable and just made me feel more of myself. So what Flipkart has come here with is extremely revolutionary क्योंकि ना ही वो लाइव कॉमर्स के 100 hours लोगों को दिखाने वाले हैं. Am I right, sir? 100 hours of
Just keeps growing.
it just keeps growing, right? And also they've launched something really interesting, which is called content creatorhood, which I think is again something that is going to make Flipkart really self-reliant and independent, because they are channeling their power to actually work with the creators to help creators do what they love the most, which is create content, but in a way that they can actually make commercial use out of it. And this wonderful collab that they are doing with creators is so symbiotically beautiful, क्योंकि वो creators की मदद करता है, क्योंकि वो अपने काम और अपने passion को commercialize कर सकते हैं, और Flipkart को create कर सकता है बहुत ही talented, original और authentic influencers के साथ. So yeah, it's a win-win that they've come up with an idea that's an absolute win-win, and I'm so excited कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना आज ये बात आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, because I think somewhere मैं भी लोगों के साथ सीख ही रही हूँ. मुझे भी actually to be honest इसके पहले I didn't know what is like live content creation, what is that entire format. But जैसे कि audiences भी knowledge पा रही हैं ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स के द्वारा, इवन एक्टर्स आर लर्निंग एवरी सिंगल डे. ऐसा नहीं है हमें सब कुछ आता है, हम भी सीख रहे हैं. एंड इनफैक्ट ये सीखना और वक्त को अपनाना, हर वक्त कुछ नया आता है और हमें उसे अपनाना पड़ता है. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इज़ द फन, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी स्टिम्युलेटिंग. यू फील excited every morning to do something. So thank you, Ramesh sir, for always being the first person into it and creating such
Thanks
amazing.
for being here. Thanks for being here. We would love to have you do a live stream on Flipkart.
I would love to do
We'll figure
that.
out how to make it happen.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. हाँ जी.
ग्लैमरस तमन्ना जी को आपने यहाँ पर बुलाया, इनका ग्लैमर हमने बाहर देखा. तमन्ना जी वन से इनकी पॉपुलरिटी आपने कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आपके शब्दों से?
No, I think
माइक के पास
one is we are very happy to have you here. I think you bring a lot of energy to and inspiration to the crowd. I think you are very pretty, very beautiful. I think in the entire India deserves to be beautiful. I think we're providing a platform for all the content creators to actually share their experiences with the entire world, and people can actually pick up these products that work for them. So we are very happy to have you on board.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैम आप काफ़ी लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हो, आपको कौन इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज़्यादा?
I think मैं एक ऐसे दौर में हूँ अपने लाइफ के कि I am just trying to find ways of expressing my true voice, because I think वो ही कहना सबसे मुश्किल होता है और वो ही actually लोगों तक पहुँचता है. So I am also in that journey where I think I've really looked more inward for inspiration, and I'm really enjoying that.
Tamanna, what do you have to
This
say
is the last question.
about
Ji.
this whole influencer culture, which is burgeoning all across the world right now?
Yeah.
And this event itself is the biggest witness to that.
Yeah.
And a lot of actors have taken a stand and Khan also about how influencers are walking together with actors.
You know what I love, what I truly love, is I am an actor. That is my first entry into being a public figure. But what I love about the times that we are in today is that it is democratizing the ability to be an influencer, the ability to be a celebrity. Today it's not, I mean, I didn't have any background, but I made my way up and became an actor, reached people's hearts. But for people who don't want to be actors, who are not largely performers actors, they also today can be celebrities, influencers, can put their voice across to people, which actually helps people. So I love the fact that we are democratizing it, and actually I don't feel competitive around it. I actually feel like, what is the point of it all if there is no community building? This time and age is actually giving us a chance as human beings to create communities. And it's our responsibility as an actor, as a film personality, to actually support that, because it brings a lot of livelihood to a lot of people. And I think a lot of people deserve that, and this is a great opportunity to do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is your fashion icon?
Who's my fashion icon?
Last question, please.
I don't have a fashion icon at the moment. I don't have a fashion icon at the moment. Sorry.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.